What's up, guys? This is going to be the continuation to the third gen seats in the second gen Tacoma. So first you're going to have to get your second gen Tacoma seat out. It's 14 millimeter bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. There's little caps in the back, pop those up. And there's going to be a couple clips down here that you're going to have to unplug. Obviously, you see this wire harness. I believe there's 3. Then what you're going to have to do is there's another plug for this, which is of course your belt buckle. Snake that out, attach it to the third gen seat, and then I'll show you what you have to do. So like mine, I repaired the seat and then I got new airbags replaced. So keep in mind the airbag connector isn't the same from the second to third gen. So I cut it and spliced it, and then the plug right here is now attached to the third gen harness that goes to the airbag. This is both connectors from the second gen. Little tech tip: when you're working with airbag stuff, don't do like I did and unplug your battery. I've been doing this for a while, so I know what to kind of expect. So if this blows up, it's my fault. And then, like I mentioned, a couple 14 mil bolts, front and back. I'm gonna start just by doing the back first. All right, well, as I mentioned, I didn't blow up anything. So if my calculations are correct, I should be able to just plug my seatbelt in, and nice. No lights on the dash. Don't mind the maintenance thing. I gotta clear that. But yeah, sorry for the weird angle, but this is a 2019, I believe, seat in my 2012. So I'll be switching this one out shortly, but for now, here it is. And there's the back. And here's the passenger side. This was, I mean, pretty much the same as the driver's side. Again, I only had to splice the airbag connector, and I'll show you what that looks like in a sec. 2 wires. I know it sounds sketchy, but unless you get the harness for the airbag that goes in here and do that ahead of time, then this is what I did, and it works. But this connector in here, you just kind of peel back the yellow tape there, cut the connector, give yourself some space so that you have plenty of room to splice. And obviously, you know, if I ever want to go back, I can just put this one back. But I took them off my old seats. This is the one that doesn't fit because the connector is different, but I kept them just in case. The right way to probably do this is probably to de-pin this. I just don't have a de-pinning tool, but other than that, that's it. And there was one open connector on here that doesn't go to anything. It must be for an third gen. But in my opinion, these look a lot better than the work truck seats that were all gross and stained. And yeah, I'm much happier with these.